In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Zoho Sheet. Locking cells is essential when you want to protect certain data from being altered, especially in collaborative environments where multiple people have access to the same spreadsheet. Today, we'll be covering the process step by step to ensure your important data stays exactly how you need it. First off, you'll need to open your Zoho Sheet and determine which cells or range of cells you want to protect. This could be anything from a single cell to an entire spreadsheet section, depending on what data you want to prevent others from changing. Once you've identified your target area, go ahead and click on the cell or highlight the range of cells you wish to lock. Now that you have your cells selected, it's time to lock them. There are two primary ways to do this, and I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever method suits you best. The first method involves using the menu bar. With your cells selected, navigate to the top of the Zoho Sheet interface where you'll see a menu labeled Data. Click on Data, and it will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to find and hover over the option labeled Lock. When you do, another menu will appear, and you'll see the option to lock cells. Simply click on it, and your selected cells will be protected. The second method is just as straightforward and can be done quickly with a right-click. If you prefer using the mouse, this might be the easier option for you. With your cells or range highlighted, right-click to bring up the context menu. Look down the list of options until you find Lock Cells. Clicking on this will achieve the same result as using the menu bar option. Your selected cells will now be locked against edits. Once the cells are locked, others viewing the spreadsheet can still see the data, but won't be able to change it without unlocking the cells first. This is a great way to ensure that critical data in your shared Zoho Sheet remains unchanged, even if multiple people have access. Locking cells is a crucial skill in effectively managing spreadsheets and maintaining data integrity. It adds a layer of security to your work, ensuring that accidental data changes don't disrupt your analysis or reports. If you need to make edits later, you can always go back and unlock the cells using the same menu options. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to lock cells in Zoho Sheet. Remember, this is an excellent practice for securing your important information, so don't hesitate to use it whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your data safe and sound in Zoho Sheet.